morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, 27 April 2026, we are going to learn swimming pool lessons over here. This place located nearby Bantug, close to the bypass highway. It is only 100 meters from there. It's a beautiful place. Such a quiet, private place. Look at the swimming pool. Wow, looks so beautiful in the morning. Look, nobody here, only us. Look at that. Nice in the morning. Here is 4 feet, in the end is 10 feet. It is very deep over there.
Okay, go! Kick! Ball, one time, go! Okay, dahil manok. Maliit lang. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Go down inside the water, then move until the kailangan ay kamay. Kick the wall malakas. Ready? Go! Okay, kick! Okay, kick the wall. 1, 2, 3, and go! Stretch your arms. Oh, no. Faster! Okay, mas malakas ang kick. Get set, higa, go! Bitaw! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bubbles, bubbles. 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good.
Yeah, you are very relaxed. It's good.
Very good. Next. Get set. Let mo kamay pagkalitan. Go! Okay. Hug your knees. Then your body will turn around inside the water. And going up and down. Up and down. Get set. Go! And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And sakto yung kamay mo sa wall. Ready, get set, go! Wow! Kick! Faster! Kick! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up.
Not bad. On the third day. Wow, he already reached. Very good. Yeah, look at that. The kids, not even a week, they are already very beautiful swimmers already. Look at that. He's only 7, 8 years old, 10 years old, 15 years old. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Come. Nice. See, only 7 days, they already very good swimmers already. My son is a huge gamer, very hard to bring him outside. He can come and learn swimming. At the same time, he can do some exercise and reduce his body weight. It is a win-win situation for everyone. So I highly recommend it.
Okay, we're going to compete on May 24 at Central Luzon State University at their swimming pool. And I'm a certified swimming instructor or trainer. Ito, kapag pumasok kayo sa pool at nag-enroll sa akin, pwede kayong mag-swimming with your family, free parking, at saka maganda ang view rito. Walang bayad, ang minimal lang ang babayaran. Hindi kalakihan at matututo ang mga anak nyo sa akin sa tagal ko ng swimming trainer sa swimming pool. So, I'm hoping na sa mga gustong mag-enroll sa akin hanggang may slot pa for the second batch. See you then. Bye!